Hello everyone. In this video, we learn building infrastructure using Terraform and AWS. Terraform is used to define and automatically provision infrastructure. Terraform uses declarative language, that is, we don't have to define each step of how automation and management is done. We declare what is desired or needed. Final result, Terraform will orchestrate how to execute it. Terraform defines root module as the current working directory holding the configuration files where Terraform commands are executed. Instead of having single large file, we can have separate files for each resource being deployed, as multiple .tf files helps to keep the workflow easier. Terraform has two main components in its architecture, core and provider. Core uses two input sources to do its job. The first input source is Terraform configuration, that is the .tf files we configure. Here we define what needs to be created or provisioned. The second input source is the state file where Terraform keeps the up-to-date state of how the current setup of the infrastructure looks like. Providers, the second component of the architecture for specific technologies. This could be cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and other infra providers. A quick look at Terraform lifecycle. It consists of init, plan, apply, and destroy. Init initializes the working directory in the background, connects to the provider for plugins as per the configuration files. Plan is used to create an execution plan to reach a desired state of the infrastructure. Apply deploys the infrastructure as per the plan and gets to the desired state. Destroy terminates resources defined in the configuration file. This is how Terraform works and helps to provision and cover the complete application setup from infrastructure all the way to the application. Moving on to the next slide for the architecture going to be deployed in this demo. Terraform deploys a VPC with public and private subnets with their respective dependent network elements, hosting two web servers, a load balancer to balance requests between instances across multiple availability zones in case of a zone outage. Having learned about Terraform's automation capabilities, we will deploy app servers with VPC as we saw in the architecture doc. I have Terraform set up on a Linux VM. This is the Terraform workspace, rather root module as per Terraform. These are the TF files. We'll start with Terraform init command. Subsequent to init command, next run the Terraform plan command to create execution plan for creating and provisioning infrastructure. The output shows the plan and what all gets created. Here 26 elements are to be created. Next, the Terraform apply command will execute the configuration file and launch the infrastructure. This is when the actual infra creation starts. After a few minutes, we see the provisioning is completed. We'll check this on the EC2 console. See here the app servers deployed and being initialized. And these are the subnets, load balancer with listener, the target group with the target instances, and the health check is healthy, which means the web servers are up and available. Let's pick up the load balancer DNS to check our demo website. Here, notice the requests being distributed across app server 1 and 2 by the load balancer for high availability. So with this, we have deployed web servers with high availability using Terraform. We need to run the destroy command to terminate the infrastructure, the last part of the Terraform lifecycle. It takes a while to terminate and confirm. It's completed. We saw how Terraform helps to automate infra deployment. We end this demo here. Thank you.